So hello everyone, this is me Sharia almost like a Mitul. So I'm currently working as a DevRel engineer at Vartiq. Okay, so today we are going to see how we can easily set up Vartiq and actually check out how we can use the app to communicate with our webhooks and so on. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you can see this is the Vartiq page, so you can just search for vartiq.com, so you will be here. Okay, so after that you have to start for free. So once you press that, you have to provide your mail and password, or you can sign up using Google account. Once you go through that, like for example, I've just used my mail and password, and after that I just have to provide my name. Obviously I provided that, and then easy Vartiq. And how did you hear about us? So you can just easily mention from where you heard about us. Okay, so complete sign up. So yeah, that should be done now. So yeah, after that you have to just verify. So what I will do is I will just verify from my end. Okay, so I have verified from my mail, so you just have to go to your mail and just press verify. That's it. So that's as easy as it is. Okay, now the factor is how can we actually practice yeah, right? So you just have to go for the documentation. You can just go for here. Okay, great. So you can obviously read this introduction, like how Vartiq solves the problem for the developers, specifically like high velocity developers or companies. Now the factor is, let's get started with the quick start. Okay, so from here you can see, first of all you have to install the SDK, and then you will have your API key in the Vartiq dashboard obviously, and there will be a project there. You can also create your project, and this is the process. Okay, so we'll do that. Obviously we'll do that. Now let's just go here. So if you go here into the projects, you can see there's a default project, right? So obviously you can create like the webhooks and others from here as well. Now you can see from the events, there are no events so far, and API key, that is the default one provided. So now what I am going to do is, here it is. So you can see there is a code in index.js I've created. So this code is exactly taken from here. Okay, you just go here into the quick start. You can see what we have to do. First of all, obviously we have to install that. So let's just start. Let me just copy that, go here, go for the terminal. It's just a directory or a folder, you can just create it, like you can see, and then I will just paste it. Okay, so that will install the SDK. Great. Then what we have been said is that we have to initialize the SDK using this, and we have to provide the API key from here. So here you can see there is a default API key provided, so we'll just use that, or you can create your own API key, no issues with that. So that's great. Now we'll just come up here and I will just replace that here. I've just pasted the code, right? You see, this is exactly what that was provided out there, right? Great. Now let's go here, and then we have to create an app. We have to create, like creating in a webhook within an app. So exactly, you just copy this code and you will just paste it within a try and catch block. Okay, so here I've just created this app and created the webhook here as well within the app. Okay, great. So you also have this option, creating a webhook without an app, but we are just using app and webhook within actually within an app. Okay, so we have just used this. Now great, now we just want to pass a message through webhook. So if you check this out, we have just copied this and pasted that here as well. So these are the three code blocks we have right now. Great. Now the factor is this project ID is something I did provide. You can just change it here. If you just go here and go here, and you can see there is a project ID, right? You just have to use it, copy paste it. Now here you have to provide the app name. So let me just Vartiq, give it the name Vartiq demo. Great. No problem with that. And no, what? Okay, again here you can see that we are just passing this hello world message that will be going there, and also we are using the app ID. Basically we have the app ID here, right? We are using this app, so we are just extracting that app information in webhook and message as well. Now interestingly, there is an interesting point, which is webhook URL, which we don't have by now. So what we have to do is we can play.Vartiq. Let's just go for here. Okay, so here you can see we have been provided a webhook URL. So what we have to do is we'll just paste it here. Okay, also interestingly, so the whole code I will just add the GitHub repository where you can just copy this whole code, and you can just replace these values with your own. Okay, so I will just add that in the description section, so it will be pretty much easy for you. Great. Now I believe everything is done. This part is done, this part is done. Done. Okay, simple as it is. Now we'll just save it, and we'll just do what? We'll just use node index.js. Okay, I believe it should work now. Let's just go, and we'll just wait a bit, reload it. Okay, waiting on your first request. So yeah, here it is. It is as simple as it is. So here you can see the message hello world, which we have passed through here, is here. Great. Now if you think like, okay, let's just don't want to do it, like maybe hey from Vartiq demo, right? So we can just pass it through like a string. Okay, let's just save it, Control S. You can see that is a error we are having, or we have been provided some suggestions. So what you have to do is you can just add type module here. You can just add it here, and this will totally go away. Okay, so we can do that, but something we can just avoid for now as well. You can just okay, let's just go here. Let's see if that pops up with the code status code 200 or so. Okay, great. And here you can see we have just got the message, hey from Vartiq demo world. Great. So that is as easy as it is. So you can easily now practice with this one once you're using Vartiq. So if you have any questions, feel free to share that in the comment section. We're eager to solve your queries, and obviously join our Slack community. So I will add those into our description section. And thank you so much, and see you in another video from Vartiq.